case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit considered a pivotal case, Eaton v. Bass, that examined whether a company could be held liable for damages caused by a defective part if they knowingly violated the law or should have been aware of the defect. This case stemmed from a tragic car accident in Whitfield County, Georgia, where 2 passengers in the Eaton car were killed after a collision involving 2 trucks from the Hoover Motor Express Company. Initially, the district court ruled in favor of the defendants, finding that the driver of the Eaton car and the Hoover Motor Express Company were not negligent. However, the plaintiffs appealed, arguing that the Hoover Motor Express Company was indeed negligent for using a defective brake and violating the Georgian code, contrary to the lower court's decision. During the appeal, the district judge allowed the admission of evidence regarding the truck's inspection for the jury to assess. While not entirely conclusive, the jury was tasked with determining whether the truck had been properly inspected. The appellees presented evidence that the driver had driven 165 miles without any brake issues, which the court deemed sufficient for the jury to consider regarding their knowledge of a potential defect. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals affirmed the judgments, upholding the district court's ruling that neither the driver of the Eaton car nor the Hoover Motor Express Company was negligent. This case, Eaton v. Bass, remains an important precedent in understanding the boundaries between manufacturer responsibility and user liability in negligence cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.